हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, कसे आहात सगळेजण. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विश यू ऑल अ व्हेरी व्हेरी हॅपी हेल्दी अँड प्रॉस्परस न्यू इयर 2021. वेलकम टू 2021. सो काय रिझोल्युशन बनवलेत? मी बनवलं आहे एक्सरसाइज अँड ईट हेल्दी. सो आय एम ट्राईंग टू डू दॅट फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स. आणि मध्ये खूप गॅप गेला, अजिबात एक्सरसाइज नाही किंवा फार कमी, जेवढा हवा तसा नाही झाला एक्सरसाइज. सो फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स आय एम प्लॅनिंग टू डू कंटिन्यू एक्सरसाइजेस. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड की काय कसं होईल आणि काय केलं पाहिजे, तर देन जस्ट फॉलो माय व्हिडिओज अँड स्टार्ट वर्किंग विथ मी. So I'm not claiming that I know everything, but yes, of course I did a certified courses in yoga. I practiced yoga for many years, but I just took a gap of this 6 to 8 months almost, or a year you can say. I'm not doing that regularly. So from today onwards I am planning to start it once again. So let's hope for the best. Whoever wants to join with me, they can join. I am just posting one videos of all positions: standing position, sitting position, sleeping position, and then few breathing exercises. So you can start with that. If you don't have any back pain or neck pain, or any operations have been done in recent months, then they can follow this routine regularly. जे फार ह्याच्यानी करू शकत नाही आहेत ते बेसिक मूवमेंट्स करू शकतात. जेवढे आपल्याला झेपतील तेवढेच करा. जबरदस्ती करायचा प्रयत्न करू नका, बट स्टार्ट डुईंग. सो जे काही करता येईल ते आपण स्टार्ट करूया अँड होप फॉर द बेस्ट. So please follow my videos if you are interested. And let's हा जो रेजिम आहे, 3-4 व्हिडिओज माझे आहेत. एक आहे स्टँडिंग पोझिशनचा, सिटिंग पोझिशनचा, स्लीपिंग पोझिशनचा, आणि एक ब्रिदिंग एक्सरसाइज आहेत. यू जस्ट स्टार्ट विथ फॉलोइंग दोज बेसिक एक्सरसाइजेस. अगदी बेसिक एक्सरसाइजेस आहेत जे कोणीही करू शकतं असं आहे. पण तरीसुद्धा मी सांगते, जे वाकायचे बेंडिंगचे आहेत, ते ज्यांना बॅक पेन फार प्रमाणात आहे त्यांनी अगदी डीप बेंडिंग करू नये. जेवढं तुम्हाला झेपेल करू शकाल तेवढं करा. स्टार्टिंगला तुम्हाला ऑफकोर्स आपल्याला थोडंसं बॅक पेन जाणवू शकतं. ब्रिदिंग केल्यामुळे थोडंसं डोकं हेवी होऊ शकतं, वाटू शकतं, पण नो इश्यूज, कारण ते प्रॅक्टिस नसल्यामुळे तो आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेम होऊ शकतो, वाटू शकतो. पण डोंट स्टॉप ॲट ऑल. बाकी काय, थोडा वेळाचा प्रश्न असेल, थोडा वेळ दुखू शकेल डोकं किंवा थोडंसं हेवी वाटू शकेल, बट देअर आफ्टर तुम्हाला ते रेग्युलर झालं की तो त्रास नक्कीच जाणवणार नाही. सो लेट्स सी कसं होतंय, काय होतंय. आणि तुम्हाला पण करायचं असेल, फॉलो करायचं असेल तर नक्की फॉलो करा. अँड प्लीज पोस्ट तुम्हाला कसं वाटतंय, तुमचं फिलिंग काय आहे त्याच्याबद्दल, और whatever you are want to share, please do it on my videos. Till then, take care and goodbye. And first day of resolution, start working. 5 minutes. So 15 minutes workout. If it's not possible, just do it like this. Okay. Faster. Second.
5 minutes. If you can't do it for 5 minutes continuously, start with 2 minutes. That will be fine. Okay, relax for 2 minutes. Take a deep breath. Okay, third. Okay, we'll do this way. All jumping in the beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 20 jumps will do. Relax for 2 minutes. Then start with the next exercise. Next exercise, distance between your two legs. Bend, up, bend, up, bend, up, bend, up. 15. Yes. Come on. Start with me. I'm also starting this after a long gap. Yes. Do it for 15 times. Okay, yes. Relax for 2 minutes. Next exercise, distance in between two legs. Cross hand. 1, 2. 15. Okay, wait for 2 minutes, relax. Next exercise, stand straight with your feet together. Okay, take a deep breath. Down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 15 times. Keep your legs straight. Don't bend in your knees. If you have lower back, then don't bend completely. Just bend as you can. That's it. You can do it like this if you have a lower back. But do it. Don't sit without doing anything. Okay? Complete it. Take 2 minute rest. Exercise with other parts like hands. Wrist turning. Just hold your wrist like this and then turn. Clockwise 10 times, anti-clockwise 10 times. Same. Anti-clockwise 10 times. Okay. Exercise with your fingers. Right. Other way. Complete open. Close. Open. Take your thumb thumb inside and close it with other 4 fingers. Open it. Close, open. Close, open. Close, open. Close, open. Yes. Okay. Next exercise. Just keep your hands straight. Fold in your elbows. Other hand should be straight from your shoulder. Right? Yes. Times, or start with at least 10 times. Okay. Relax. Relax. Next, straight. Similar exercise. Keep your hands straight from your shoulder up to elbow and just fold it from elbow side, above the elbow side. Yes. You can feel stress over here, but that we required 10 to 15 times in the beginning. Yes. Keep your body straight. Okay. Relax. Exercise with your neck. Stand whatever relaxed position but straight. Keep your hands like this. Start with round, complete chin. Try to fix your chin here, then back. Go back, go back, go back. But this is straight. Hold it for a few seconds. Then again like this. Five. Relax. Then left to right. Okay. Stretch as possible as back side. This should be straight. Bring it in normal position. Then next side. You feel stretch over here, stress over here, this part. This should be straight. 5 times. Yes. Now relax. Next exercise, circular motion, 5 times. Try to fix this straight, just neck round position like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number you can count if you want. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side again like that, similar way. Go ahead. If you have a neck problem, do it slightly, just light. Or if you are a normal person, do it normally. 1, 2 with a good stretch. Five times each side. relax. So got relax for 2 minutes. Next exercise. Okay, so just hands straight, little distance in your between your two legs, just 6 inch, or comfortably you can stand with your legs and straight start twisting. Try to keep your hands straight. This is very less twisting. You can do it complete twisting like this. Don't laugh. This really works. Yes. 10 times at a time. Yes. We have in our Maharashtrian, we have that games. So kiss by kiss. That way only. Enjoy your working. Okay. So we have done almost 15 minutes. So standing workout is sufficient for 15 minutes. We'll see it next.
If you like my video, this is a standing position, and if you really want to follow, please go ahead with my next video as well. It is in another position, like sitting position. The next video will be with sleeping position, and thereafter the breathing exercises. If you follow these all together, it will become a one-day exercise. You just start with this, follow this for a week, and then we will go ahead with the next exercise routine with the next videos. Till then, bye bye and take care.